Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will present our article with the title Anxiety Analysis of Students Taking Distance Learning in Mathematics Learning in Junior High School. First of all, I will introduce myself as a presenter. My name is Joanna Yunisara. For this article, the author is myself, Joanna Yunisara, and Felicita Marciana Atmojo. I will start from the introduction. Coronavirus disease or COVID-19, which began to spread in the world in the end of 2019, including in Indonesia, had a fatal impact, causing death. In relation to this, the Minister of Education and Culture issues circular letter number 36962 MPK.AHK 2020 on one of the points, saying that all learning activities with schools and universities use online methods as an effort to prevent the development and spread of COVID-19 based on the circular. All learning activities are carried out online, including mathematics. However, online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic actually caused anxiety for some students. Dr. Wirawan, 2020. Anxiety is a psychological problem that is often encountered in learning activities, especially in learning mathematics, which is then known as mathematics anxiety, SAPTA 2014. The purpose of this study is to describe student anxiety in distance learning, especially in learning mathematics. Research method. The study used a methodological approach. Used in this study is a literature review method of books and literature as a data. In addition, the study was strengthened by collecting data obtained through the provision of a questionnaire consisting of 17 statements, consisting of 11 positive statements and 6 negative statements, in order to determine the interpretation of mathematics learning anxiety experienced by students in distance learning. Data collection using a mathematical anxiety scale was carried out online using the help of Google Form. The level of mathematical anxiety is categorized according to Arikunto 2009, which is listed in a table 1 as follows. Based on discussion, distance learning, also called distance education, is training is given participants or students who do not gather together in one place regularly to receive lessons directly from the instructor. Prawiyogi 2020. In addition, distance education is an educational process that bridges the separation between educators and students mediated by the use of technology. Rahmat 2020. Thus, distance learning is learning that is not done together in one place regularly to receive lesson, but is mediated by the use of technology. According to Mustafa 2020, some of the advantages of distance learning are as follows. The right to obtain the education for students can run with special conditions such as COVID-19 pandemic. There are facilities where educators and students can communicate easily through internet facilities without being limited by distance, space, and time. Learners can adjust their lesson by controlling their study time. Learners can study or repeat lesson materials at any time and anywhere if needed, forcing a change in the role of passive learner to become more active and independent. The disadvantage of implementing distance learning include the following. Teachers need more time in preparing the delivery of the distance learning process than the face-to-face learning process. Administrative support for the distance learning process is needed to serve the number of students who may be very large. Some students feel strange learning on their own without direct interaction with their teacher or with their friends. Students who lack motivation or high initiative become a problem in learning process, and network access or support such as a quota are very influential in implementing online distance learning. Math anxiety, according to JESEP in Prianto 2017, mathematics anxiety is defined as a feeling or anxiety that a person cannot do something as efficiently in situation that involve the use of mathematics. According Burhan in Mukoli 2018, the source of anxiety will be more easily traced by examining three basic causes, namely one, self-confidence, which may be threatened by doubts about outward appearance and abilities. Two, our personal well-being may be threatened by uncertainty about the future, doubt in decision-making and materialist concern. Three, our well-being may be threatened by various unresolved conflicts. Furthermore, according to Denfrey and Olanian and Benedict F. Salman, Octavia 2018, the factors that can cause mathematics anxiety are: one, the condition of the class situation is not conducive; two, the national mathematics exam or test; three, with the ability of teachers to convey the subject matters being studied. For mathematics has many formula. Five, expectation from families to get good grades, and six, student cannot solve the math problems. Based on the factors that cause mathematics anxiety, we can conclude the mathematics anxiety is a problem faced by student when studying mathematics. Three aspects of anxiety, Navid Ratus Green 2005, in Prativi 2021. Anxiety has a three aspect. First, the physical aspect. Number two, behavioral aspect, and three, the cognitive aspect. Number four, questionnaire and results. Questionnaire result and discussion. From the results of this distributing questionnaire conducted at SMPTK Pelita Denpasar, response were obtained with the following result. The data shows the percentage of the several application of online distance learning is 100%, and Google Classroom 6.9%, Google Meet 55.2%, Zoom 6.9%, and other application is 30.8%. The questionnaire provides 70 forms of statement to the student. The statements are divided into two types, namely positive this is its statement and negative statement. The result of students' answer can be analyzed using Likert scale guidelines. The 17 question list on the questionnaire are processed using the Likert scale index form. Obtain the following result. Those we can know the form of anxiety when participating the distance learning in mathematics learning that arises from students of SMPTK Pelita Hati for the 2021 and 2022 academic year in the form of feelings of fear, worry, lack of confidence, anxiety, heart beats faster, and even tries to avoid distance learning. This causes a lot of materials in learning mathematics that they do not understand. Conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion in this study is mathematics anxiety is a physiological condition when learning mathematics. Anxiety in learning mathematics is not only felt when learning in class, but also during the distance learning. This research is strengthened by research using a questionnaire to 27 responders at SMPTK Pelita Hati Denpasar experiencing learning anxiety in learning mathematics online. Form of anxiety when participating in distance learning in mathematics learning that rise from students in the form of feelings of fear, worry, lack of confidence, anxiety, faster heartbeats, and even trying to avoid learning. The ways that students usually do to overcome learning anxiety are trying, preparing better, asking friends who understand better, and using application available on the internet to study and answer mathematics uh, question given by teachers when carrying out distance learning. That's my presentation. Thank you for your great attention. Um, Thank you.